In this video, we will review the water jet shoes. So water jet shoes is something that you can use for hiking, for diving, for swimming, and it's actually very resilient to specific surfaces and it helps you not fall off rough surfaces as well as slimy surfaces. So here is some samples for those water jet shoes available online. So with this, people are actually satisfied with its grip. They also dry super fast and very comfortable to walk in. They also hold up in salt, which is good for diving as well as swimming in the sea. So this particular jet shoes is really good because during a beach hike, water jet shoes prove to be more durable and versatile, especially on uneven or rocky terrain, proving their worth beyond their price. So you can head over and buy it. I recommend you to buy it in here this one right here, either of this one, since there are some lightweight aqua water shoes and not the same as jet shoes that we have mentioned. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.